In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted task in Asana. Whether you've accidentally erased something or changed your mind about a task, rest assured, we're here to walk you through retrieving it step by step. Let's get started. First, make sure you are logged into your Asana account and you'll land on the home page. This is your launch pad to access all your projects and tasks, find the project related to the task you've deleted and click on it. This will take you into the specific project view where you can manage tasks. Within your selected project, look toward the top of your screen and find the Search This View option. Clicking here allows you to begin the process of sifting through your project for specific tasks. Following that, you'll see an option labeled More Options. You'll want to click on this to reveal additional search features. Now, click on Go to Advanced Search. The advanced search function allows you to delve into more detailed search parameters. Great for when you need to find something specific or hidden, like archived or deleted items. Under the advanced search options, look for status. This option helps you filter tasks based on their current standing. Once you click on status, you'll see different categories to choose from. Here, you should select the deleted category. This will specifically filter for tasks that have been moved to the deleted tasks section. Next, click on Search. This search is now tailored to show any tasks that have been deleted from the project. At this point, scroll through the listed items and identify the specific task that you would like to recover. This is often the task you regretted deleting or realized was still necessary for your project. With your task located, you will see the option to undelete it. Click on Undelete and Asana will restore the task to its previous active status. It's as if the task has been brought back from the digital recycle bin and it's ready to be part of your workflow once more. After you undelete your task, make sure you return to your project view by navigating back to it through the Projects section. This ensures you're continuing your work exactly where you left off, with the recovered task now part of your current project list. And there you have it. You've successfully restored a deleted task in Asana, and it should now appear in your list as if it was never gone. Remember, recovering tasks is a handy feature of Asana, and it's always good to know your work isn't permanently lost. Thanks for watching, and happy tasking.